Okay, good day viewers. We are at Lekki Junction and we are headed for an inspection to one of our estates, Heaven City Phase 2, Elameja, Lekki. This estate has a very good neighborhood. We are talking about the Pan-Atlantic University. I will show you while we are going on the road. Okay, and we have the Alaro City, which is after the estate, and we have other lovely infrastructures, and it's also within the proposed site for Lekki International Airport, which the contract is going to be signed very soon, any moment from this December or January. Okay, and at the second Lagos Real Estate Marketplace conference and exhibition that just ended 2 days ago in Eco Hotel, which I participated, I was there. Alaro City, Lekki, the new Lekki Deep Seaport, and Dangote refineries was one of the main reasons. Okay, fine. This is the Pan-Atlantic University. So this particular estate is not far from this Pan-Atlantic University. This is their permanent site. Okay, you can see the road construction is still going on, and it's because of one of the reasons of this road construction is because of the new Lekki International Airport that is coming to this ISIS proposed airport. This is Eleganza Industry, and is one of the landmark of this estate called this is their entrance of Pan-Atlantic University. As you can see, this is Eleganza Industry. Okay, by my right side. So at the exhibition that I had at Eco Hotel a few days ago, which I was there with the governor and other people, top people in the industry. This is Eleganza Industry. You know, Lekki is a well-planned area when it comes to infrastructures, when it comes to industrial area, commercial area, residential area of Lagos. Is well planned than every other place in Lagos. So the eyes of government is really in this place. And Governor Sanwo-Olu on that day said few things concerning land documents and all the rest of them. And one of the things he said was that any moment from now, all the lands with these houses are going to get a cession. Okay, you can see the road construction is still going on. So all the lands in this houses will get a cession title, and the ones that has a cession titles already will also get to the other level of title. We will get upper title. So for the ones that has registered survey and deed of assignment, they are about getting to a cession. So Lekki is really hot, and development of Lekki is one of the things they also discuss. In fact, we discussed so many things on that 2 days exhibition and conference in Eco Hotel. It's the second edition. The first one was last year, which I was there also. The second one ended a few days ago. You know, it was on 7th and 6th and 7th. So of this month, it's just a few days ago. So Lekki is really developing, you can see. So this estate, Heaven City Phase 2, that we are going to is selling for 1.5 million for full plot, 600 square meters, and half plot is also available. Okay, and we have half plot is selling for 750, and we have 3 months instrumental payment plan. We have 6 months payment plan, instrumental payment plan. We also have 12 months installment payment plan. And anyone that suits you. That is why I always said I can always fly. Rector Bright can always fly with your budget. All you have to do is call this number 080-3606-4974, and we'll take you for free site inspection to this estate. If you're in diaspora, you can send somebody. If you're also in Nigeria and you can't come, you can send somebody to me with my number. This is the Epe Bridge, okay, from the Pan-Atlantic University. After this bridge, you get to where the estate is. So I want to do this video so that you can really know the environment if you're watching from anywhere you are. So we have flexible payment plan you can key into, and this estate is a new bed, early bed. So now is the best time for you to key into this wonderful property in Lamija, Lekki, and it has registered sovereign deed of assignment. Okay, so call me today, and we take you for free site inspection. And don't forget that I can always fly with your budget anywhere you are, if you're in diaspora or you're in Nigeria. So you know that putting your money in real estate is better than keeping your money in the bank. And real estate investment, I think if it's not the best, it's one of the best investments in the whole wide world. Because I don't think any other investment can give you a relaxed mind apart from real estate. If you're doing other investment, I don't want to mention, but if you're an investor, you know what I'm talking about. And if you're not an investor in real estate, if you're not investing in real estate, I think you should start investing in real estate or give it a trial. From today, from this moment, you can call me. We can always talk about it and see how it will benefit you. Okay, invest for your children, buy land for them, buy for your loved ones, get for yourself. We also have buildings that are selling, okay, in Abidjan GRA, which is called Heaven Residence. So call me today, and we discuss about it and take you for inspection, and you see the place. Or you can watch my video also, like so many do watch. Some do watch. When I do video like this, they do watch and make payment, and we send them their documents and every other thing. Okay, so call me today 080-3606-4974 for this wonderful property. Like I said, it's a new bed, okay, and now is the best time for you to key in this wonderful property in Lamija, Lekki, Heaven City. So the conference that just ended in Lagos, Eco Hotel, is a very wonderful conference, and I thank the governor for all his plans concerning Lekki, which is really working out. Okay, so yeah, we almost at the. Okay, we are leaving the bridge now. We are getting out of the bridge. You can see the road construction is still going on. And this place you're seeing, this road you're seeing, continues like this to Epe, Ejabode. You can see. It's a very wide road. They casted this road you're seeing. It's not just like every other road we used to walk. In fact, people are complimenting this road. Okay, the road, this road you're seeing is casted. So this one is just like doing something that It's not tomorrow we start walking this particular road again. No. So if Nigeria can be, if all our roads they can be doing it like this, we won't have problem when it comes to road, because it's once and for all by the special grace of God. Okay, because I've been coming here for inspection almost every week or 2 weeks, and everything concerning this road I can testify, I can say something about this road, and it's really solid. When I mean solid, it's solid. So you can see for yourself. So call me today, and you will be part of this wonderful Isis of Lagos. So this is where the Lekki International Airport is coming. So this is this, and now is the best time to get property in this area. And Alaro City is also here already. Is here already. And at the back, you know, there is a road, like 2 alternative road here, or three road that leads to the refinery, Dangote Refinery Road. If you do watch my videos, you see my videos concerning on that road, Dangote Refinery Road. So there will be a linked road, wide linked road from here to refinery. In fact, the way they planned Lekki, that is why I said it's one of the best planned area. In fact, it's the best. It's the best. The road network, everything, they really planned this place very well. So it's not going to be like every other place in Lagos. That is why they call it New Lagos. It's New Lagos they call it. You know, when you mention Lekki, you are talking about New Lagos. So there is it. If you watch my previous videos, you can see that the videos and the road videos are different. Today is getting better, tomorrow is getting better today. So it wasn't like this last month. So they are really working on the road. As you can see the people that are walking and everything. So keying in this very property, I'm going to see Heaven City in Lamija. Heaven City in Lamija. The phase 1 has been sold out. Okay, this is the phase 2. If you miss the phase 1, don't miss the phase 2, because people that bought in phase 1, they're already buying in phase 2. So you should think about it. If somebody that invested in phase 1 is buying in phase 2, that means there is something about it that is positive. Okay, there is something about Heaven City that is positive. So because so many people that bought in the phase 1, they had plots now. They have plots now in phase 2. So why don't you key in phase 2 if you didn't key in phase 1? Like I said, it's selling for 1.5 million for 600 square meters, while 300 square meters is selling for 750k. And we have rooms for instrumental payment plan, like 6 months and 12 months. And if you're paying outright, you can pay for 3 months. So what are you waiting for? Call your reliable enterprise today for free site inspection, or you can watch this video and call me also if you're in diaspora or you're in Nigeria. Anyone, I'm always here for you. Key in now. This is how Ikoyi started developing, Banana Island started developing all the area. Lekki today you're seeing they are talking about Lekki that was Morocco. Today this is how those places started, and people missed the opportunity. Even people that had the money to buy like 10 plots, 2 plots, 1 plot, 5 plots, they missed the opportunity because of I don't know, should I buy or should I not buy? I think that is the reason they missed those places. So you can see the entrance from here. We are entering the road to Heaven City. One of our estate is here. It's sold out. It's sold out. Green Haven is sold out. And then this is also one of our estate here. Okay. This is also one of our estate that is selling here. Okay. So thank you, and then watch me as we get to the estate. You can see it's not, we just entered by the road, from the road now. We are heading to where the estate is located in Lamija. So this is the best time for you to key in into these properties. Okay. If you know what, if you know what happened in Lekki phase 1, phase 2, all those areas, I think you should key in into these properties. Look at the kind of road network that is already here, and the things that are coming in this area. A lot of cities already there, and the proposed Lekki International Airport that is about to sign. They are about to sign the contract. Is coming here, and Eleganza industry is already there, and then there will be a trail linked road from this place to Dangote Refinery, Isaac. Okay, so it's a very nice environment, and I would like you to invest here so you won't regret tomorrow that you watched this video and it did nothing. So key in and thank me in future, because now is the best time. I always say this: if you want a tree to grow big in 10 years or 5 years or 15 years, plant that tree now. So now is the best time to plant in Heaven City phase 2 and watch it